Another beautiful morning at the Polynesian. I don't know if you can see that sky, but it's pretty amazing actually. Hey you, come on. So we're on the walkway between the Grand Floridian and the Polynesian, and I don't know if you can see it, but these are all the buildings over here are the ones that are under construction. They've got the paper and the plastic up in the windows. This one here by the water, this one, and then this back one here also, which some of the doors are even missing back there. It looked like we saw inside one of them. They're actually taking the walls down too and redoing those, so definitely a massive renovation. But it's on the back side here, so you can't really tell from the front. Yeah, see that bottom one? They have the windows off. They're pretty much gutting the whole thing. There's some scaffolding over here and stuff, but really not enough to bother you from staying here. We didn't even really notice till we came to this side. And then the Great Ceremonial House, the monorail's closed, but other than that, you probably wouldn't know that it was under construction either. Found a little Grand Floridian turtle out there basking in the sun.
Mama,
Yes, honey.
look at that bee. Mommy, look at the bee. I don't see the bee from here. Look at the bee.
Yeah, we're gonna go over at our hotel though. We just gotta walk back over there. See, there it is, across the water. Joy. Be careful. There's gators. Don't get off that sand, Joy. You don't want to get eaten by a gator.
I'm just looking.
I know. I'm just saying.
I'm looking.
If I saw an alligator, I literally would I don't even know. I would jump on that person's balcony. I'd be like, I guess.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, but you gotta take your socks off too. Mad Hatter one. The teacup. Super fun. Ours is closed at the Polynesian, but this one's cute. Joy would have really liked that. Although I don't know, because she even has water in her face. I don't know that she would even like that. Looks like fun though. Jamie wants this horse for her bedroom.
Jaden!
What about that green couch?
Yeah. What?
Aliens!
That's
Joey got mac and cheese again. Joey, you're gonna turn into a macaroni noodle. Then she got a bowl of apples and a bowl of fruit with it. You can turn into a noodle. This is the grand breakfast, which is sausage, bacon, a cheesy hash brown casserole, and eggs. And then I got the lobster benedict because I love eggs benedict. It has lobster, so how can you go wrong? And then Jaden got the steak and eggs with a house-made steak sauce that he is pouring over it, and it smelled so good. Joy, look, 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 look. Look, look, who's right there? Who's that? Is that Goofy? We'll see. Here. Who's that one? Donald. Who else do you see? Mickey? Who else? It's Minnie. Minnie. I think Pluto's out in the main one, Joy. Come here, Sweet Pea. Where we had breakfast at the Grand Floridian Cafe. It was really, really good. The lobster benedict, so good. Come here, Joy. So we just finished breakfast at the Grand Floridian Cafe, and we really liked it. The prices were really good. The cafe was super cute and Victorian, which goes with the whole theme. We really enjoyed it. The service was great. I got the eggs benedict with lobster, which I can't praise enough. It was so much better than with regular Canadian bacon. It was amazing. And the chef even came out and talked to my daughter because she's got gluten and dairy allergies, and made sure she felt comfortable and safe eating. She had a Mickey waffle, which can't go wrong with Mickey waffles. Jaden had steak and eggs. He said the steak was great. The house steak sauce, I think it was just a steak sauce, but it was a house-made steak sauce he really enjoyed as well. So yeah, we really enjoyed it. And what did Dad get? He got the Grand Floridian grand breakfast or something, which was basically just sausage, bacon, and eggs, and a hash brown. They had a cheesy hash brown casserole, which was really good too. I make something similar, so it's pretty much hash browns. We use sour cream in ours, but I feel like they had cream cheese in theirs. It kind of tasted like cream cheese and cheese. And it was good. It was very good. We all really liked the breakfast. We would probably do it again because it was good, the price was good, and we enjoyed it. I thought it was good. Joy just had mac and cheese because that's what she's eaten every meal here thus far. She's loving their mac and cheese. So apparently, thumbs up for the mac and cheese here. 5 stars, 5-star mac and cheese. Yeah, so we really enjoyed it, and we would definitely do it again.